In this video, we'll demonstrate how to fix a blurry stream with bitrate settings on OBS Studio. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to enhance your stream quality, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you've ensured that your stream settings are optimized, but your stream is still blurry and not achieving that crisp, full 1080p 60 FPS quality, you might be missing a crucial setting. Let's explore what you need to enable to make your stream super crisp. Firstly, navigate to your settings. Once you're in the settings, head over to the Stream tab. Here, check the box that says Ignore Streaming Service Setting Recommendations. Twitch, for instance, recommends a bitrate of 6K for 1080p 60 FPS video, which might not be sufficient for a crystal clear stream. Enabling this box allows you more control. Now, move to the Output tab. Adjust your bitrate to 8K. It's crucial not to exceed 8K, as going over this limit can disrupt your stream, and your viewers won't have transcoding options. Keeping your bitrate at 8K and the keyframe interval at 2 seconds ensures that your stream looks fantastic. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more tutorials and content, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching.